Why these scientists want to infect young, healthy people with the coronavirus? Three scientists are proposing that healthy volunteers be purposely infected with the novel coronavirus to quickly develop a vaccine. The World Health Organization states that only 2 of vaccines have already reached phase 1 of their clinical trials, so the world may not see a fully developed vaccine for at least a year. The scientists believe that's too long a wait, considering that thousands of people may die every week because of COVID-19. With over 500,000 infected worldwide and more than 21,000 deaths due to the virus, purposely infecting healthy volunteers may be the best option. The 3 scientists behind the proposal are Harvard University epidemiologist Mark Lipsitch, Rutgers University Nir Eyal, and London School of Hygiene and Tropical Medicine statistician Peter Smith. According to Smith, regulators may be open to the idea of using healthy volunteers in order to shave months off of vaccine development, but ethics boards may be more hesitant. The group is calling for a challenge trial, which reportedly goes against standard procedures. Treatments, drugs, and vaccines are normally tested through 3 phases to earn approval. The first involves determining the product's safety by administering only a small dose to subjects. The second involves the scientists testing the product against a placebo and on more people. The third and final phase involves monitoring the product's effect on a massive number of people in different locations and for a long period. Lipsitch, Eyal, and Smith are proposing that vaccine developers skip the third phase and instead study all phases in one controlled study with around 3,000 people. They say that studying only the vaccine's short-term effects would cut the wait time for the rollout of an efficacious vaccine. They could still study the vaccine's long-term effects, but while the vaccine is already being licensed. The only problem with their proposal is the ethical aspect, considering that the vaccine could pose a risk to the study's participants. While the participants may take on the risk of side effects or even death, the scientists say that it is no different from firefighters taking on the risk of a burning building. Because only a few young people have died from COVID-19, the researchers argued that using young, healthy participants for vaccine development would reduce the risk of death.